People are going to be like, bring Vatsala back. I feel like her much more.
I look so swollen.
How is that like मजा ही अलग? That is so boring.
क्या?
बिस्तर में लेटे रहना और दोस्तों के साथ गप्पे लड़ना.
My channel, my neighbors are staring at me and I'm getting awkward. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Meghlana and today I bring you a vlog. My convocation ceremony is happening on Tuesday. There's a lot of stuff like going around through the week, so I wanted to bring you with me. We need to go and pick up a new phone for dad and also some medicines for my mom and some other things. I've been doing all of these errands by cycling. It's a great transport option, especially for short distance. It's environmentally friendly. It gives you exercise and it really helps to clear out my head whenever I'm feeling like stuck at home. So I've been doing all my errands and whatever stuff I have to pick up, I do it by cycling. I hope you guys enjoy coming along with me and let's get started. Task 1 at the bank. Such an exciting start to this vlog, isn't it? Buying myself some flowers and they're so pretty. So yeah, gifting myself some flowers on the Saturday morning. Guys, Gucci is selling these masks. Fancy. See the difference? The display. How did it work?
See, this one blue, this one white.
I think the white is better, है ना? तो मुझे भाव क्यों नहीं दे रही?
Saloni को text करो. Saloni को party करना है. Hi Saloni, are you watching this video, Saloni?
No, but I always prefer in the store shopping than online shopping. I was really late, but I made it to the doctor's appointment in 15 minutes, 1 minute before time. So, are you a little bakri? Yes, baby. Aww. Aww. She came running to me. Dude, what are with these cats, dude? Why are they so friendly? भाई क्या हो रहा है आज? Hi doggo. You're one fluffy dog. Hello. वो ही डरपोक वाला. Hi.
Now he is confident to come.
Still scared. Still scared.
For two.
Hi baby. Hi. So cute, yeah, this one. What is going on? Hello puppy.
He's not a puppy.
All dogs are puppies. Okay, this is not Sunday morning, but while editing, I was like, bro, I forgot to bring you guys in on what the plan even was and what's going on. I didn't want you to be lost. So basically, Saturday रात को 12 बजे हमने finally decide किया कि Sunday morning we're going on a picnic to the Garner Five Senses, and we had like made full on plans कि bro 8 बजे हम अपना खाना बना के निकल जाएंगे. And then we were also going to buy all our ingredients and supplies. So we were going to go to 24/7, buy our things, make the food and leave by 8 o'clock. But who were we kidding when we made such ambitious plans? You guys already know that didn't happen. But we managed sort of like a picnic kind of a thing. While I was getting ready, because obviously I was late. Such a sanskari ladka.
Can we eat now?
Finally at 10:20 AM. यार winter में ना, especially early morning, especially during the winters, and it's not even that cold. I'm wearing like a full sleeve thing along with a jacket and everything, but like काफी गर्मी है. Thinking if I should take this off because I'm kind of melting. Successful in changing in the car. Are you impressed by my skills? मैं थोड़े talkative mood में हूँ आज actually. बात ये है. He's wearing lenses and everything today. सीधा सीधा है, okay? Such a pretty road. Here, can you see it? I don't think you can, but
You're matching, you're twinning with this tree. That is a red-cheeked bulbul. 2 हैं, 3 हैं.
4, 5, 6, 7,
बहुत सारे हैं.
Friends, Romans, countrymen.
Lend me your ears.
कपल को डिस्टर्ब कर दिया मैंने.
Like shit. The last thing they were expecting to be disturbed with. Bro, this dhoop is amazing. And this amphitheater is beautiful. Just like me. कैसे सो रहे हो bro? जीप तो अंदर कर लो. Yeah, he's fast asleep. देखना कितना धीरे धीरे breathe कर रहा है. I'm guessing he's very old.
Looks very old.
But what is that tongue, bro? Such a cutie.
तो लग रहा है तेरे
Hello.
पे शिकार होने वाला.
No, bread is not very good for you. We can't give you too much. I'm sorry. Social distancing meals.
शादी वाली वीडियोग्राफर है क्या?
We can do a mukbang.
No.
Let's do a mukbang.
What do you want to do?
So we were so hungry. हमें जो खाना मिला हम सबवे से भी ले आए और मैकडॉनल्ड से भी ले आए कि आप जल्दी बस खाना दे दो. और वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ थी, so we decided we're going to be responsible citizens today. So we're in this parking lot. How romantic is this? मेरा आधे से ज़्यादा बचा है और इस आदमी ने खा लिया पूरा. Oh yes, focus में नहीं था, but that was so nice and satisfying. Guys, Subway cookies are the best thing to ever exist. This one tastes better. Good morning guys, today is the 8th of December, it's a Tuesday and it's a very exciting day today. I think you can already tell, I've probably put it in the title of this video. So today is my master's convocation ceremony and it's happening online and we're very sad about that. But I will come back and rant more on that in a bit. But for now I need to get some work stuff done. Sorry, I can't keep my eyes open because the sun is in my eyes. But yeah, like coming here and getting my dose of sunlight in the morning is like an essential. I think you've already seen it in my 48 hours without my phone video, but yeah, like it genuinely really helps. Oh my god, you guys, like Diwali पे जो marigold का माला लगता है ना, so I had read and heard somewhere कि if you put those flowers in soil, the seeds kind of germinate and you can get marigold plants through those. So I was like, try करने में क्या जाता है, but it worked. I just spread them out thinking कि पता नहीं कुछ ना हो, at least like fertilizer तो हो ही जाएगा. I don't know how so many marigold plants will survive in this one tiny pot, but look, I'm so happy. I mean, of course, if you plant seeds, they're gonna germinate and give you plants. But like, I mean, I got a little overexcited, but honestly, थोड़े पुराने हो गए थे, so I just put it in there कि क्या पता हो जाए. But they did germinate and I'm like, guys, you know what real stress is? It's 3:20 and I was supposed to join my convocation team's meeting at 3:30 and I haven't even showered yet, let alone wearing a sari and getting ready. All the things that I had planned, but yeah, काम थोड़ा late तक चल गया. So अब we're going to take a bath and I think I'm going to be getting ready while the convocation goes on. Good thing camera allowed नहीं है. So that was something I wanted to rant about, कि they're not even allowing us to keep the camera on, but can you see this? That's cute.
A few inches later.
मेघलियाना बनर्जी.
On my old graduation cap from my graduation days, so because we don't have one for this master's graduation, I'm gonna use these to get into the fields, you know, and also do some photo shoots with it. So yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna
This was not supposed to happen online, man. You say, what are you?
Yes. Betal.
What are you?
बेताल होता है, बेताल होता है.
बेताल होता है.
Are you sure?
Do I look like
विक्रम और
Vikram?
बेताल होता है.
विक्रम और बेताल होता है.
वो जो टीवी पे आता था वो तो विक्रम और बेताल होता है.
बेताल होता था. देख अभी गूगल पे.
बेताल.
Betal. See, I told you. I watched my show. I've come out to buy like some vegetables and stuff for dinner today. And this is my outfit. A little overdressed for this market, I feel like.
No, you're not.
I'm such a brat. मेरे लिए कितना स्पेशल खाना बन रहा है आज. So colorful. ए मुझे दिए दो. Thank you. ये हमारा beautiful spread है.
On the wonderful occasion of somebody getting her master's degree.
Virtually.
Doesn't matter.
It was an animated hat on my head, but this looks beautiful. It's the 9th of December and it's like 3 p.m. Today has been such a blah day. I've been like in bed all day. Like I had a few work meetings and like some office work to get done. So I'm doing that. I hope to turn this day around. I've been living in this hot mess of a room. It's so dirty and so messy, and a dirty room always puts me in a bad mood. So I know cleaning up will definitely turn this day around. And then I also plan to work out, boost those endorphins. तो मुझ पे गुस्सा है क्या? Show me. ये क्या है? ये कहाँ से मिला? मुझे भी चाहिए.
बनाऊं तुम्हारे लिए.
बनाए है ये. दिखा.
वो उससे निकाला ना.
ओह वाओ. यार मुझे भी चाहिए.
बना देती. Do you want one diamond? Do you want multiple diamonds? Do you want a design?
She took off these like gems off of
तुम vlog बना रही हो.
here. Off of like a
मेरी face
jacket.
पे कैलोमाइन है.
कोई बात नहीं. I look as bad. But this is really cool यार. तू अब मुझ पे गुस्सा नहीं है?
मैं भी हूँ.
मुझ पे गुस्सा क्यों है?
ट्राई करो ना.
ये कितना सुंदर है. I love it. Please make one for me also. मैं तेरे लिए चिप्स ला दूंगी ना.
वो तो वैसे भी लाना.
She was mad at me because I finished this all by myself and I didn't give. Yeah, this is how dirty my room is. There's like bags of cornitos lying around in my room. But yeah, she's mad at me because I finished it by myself. I'll get some for you. I'll get you 2 packets. Okay. Pakka promise. When I say you guys are not ready to see how bad this room looks, I really mean you guys are not ready to see how bad this room looks. But I'm gonna show it to you anyway. In my defense, everything has just been a little crazy the last few weeks, which is why it's this bad. It's never this bad. But we're gonna fix that right now. You and me, let's go. And the room is clean. Look at the time though. Should I still work out? I mean, I promised you guys that I would. What's this game of yours? Excuse me. Can you stop pulling my hair, pirate? Ow. Leave my hair alone. Pirate. Can you let me work out in peace? Oh, you're so cute. Grocery shopping fits. Are you ready? Show us. And this is mine. You like my socks? Are you happy with your cornitos? There's literally a smile on your face, bro. Now that the room is clean, come in 5 minutes.
I'll turn the other way.
I get awkward.
I do not see.
Vatsi, go inside. I'll get you back in 5 minutes. उतार ले मास्क. Wait, मास्क उतारू. उतार दिया. People are going to be like, bring Vatsala back. I feel like her much more.
I look so swollen.
Can we film this? एक मिनट मुझे बताने दो. रुक जा, मुझे फिल्म करने दे. वत्सी, मेरे को एडिट करके आज डालना है. तू आएगी? क्या बोल रहे हो? Why do I get so nervous? You look so cute. Okay, so that's all for this week. Don't distract me. Okay, I'll just look. यार मैंने चश्मा नहीं पहना ना, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है.
Very good. हाँ.
मैं तुझसे मुझे कुछ हिलता हुआ दिख रहा है पीछे. मैं अपने आप पे फोकस नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. Anyway, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And what else do you say in an outro?
Like,
नहीं यार, मुझे कुछ बोलना था.
share.
This is the most entertaining outro ever. तू फिर से मुझे जज कर रही है ना?
मैं खुद को जज कर रही हूँ.
अच्छा, anyway, so that's all for this week's that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. अच्छा, subscribe बोल रही थी. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys did, and give me a thumbs up and let me know if you enjoyed it, because I really enjoyed this one. Why thumbs up? Thumbs down you.
In case they don't like it.
अच्छा, okay, if you don't like it, give me a thumbs down so I know I need to step up my game. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Yeah, इतना squeaky क्यों था? And
Yeah, तुमने उस बच्चे की वीडियो देखी है जिसके सर पे तो बॉल लगता है, वो yeah करता है.
अच्छा, okay, so what do I have to say? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.